What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. It's Silent Boy Africa, and in today's video I'll be introducing a new addition to the family. Alright, so I'm at the shop getting some chicken mesh wire because I'm getting some chickens to them people, so pretty excited about that. Stick around. On our way to go pick up the chickens on this big country farmland, and we stumble upon this. We have cows in the road, which is not safe.
Do you beep at them?
Yeah, I would assume so. Get out the road, please. Babe, just stop. Don't go any further. Stop, babe. I do not trust these cows. How do you get cows out of the road? Moo!
No.
No?
No, babe.
Okay. Beep.
Aggression.
Beep. Babe, do you think it's safe going closer?
Well, you can walk from here and go get the chickens then.
Oh my
Go
god,
on.
and it's actually raining here.
Go on. Why are they just staring at us like that?
Will they attack me? Oh my god, I wouldn't want this today.
Oh
No?
shit, they're coming.
How do you get cows out of the way? I don't like how they're looking at me, babe.
I don't know. Just go, babe. They'll move out the way. Move. Just round them off. Round them off.
I really don't like this.
Yeah, they'll move. Come on, move.
It's the way they're looking at me. They have a leader. Please, can you get out of the way? I don't like this. Babe, are you gonna leave me?
¡Ay, la puta madre que te lo parió!
Babe, I'm scared. You tried to left me. Oh, real fun. This is like a pond. Maybe there's fish in there. I would have fish in here if it wasn't. See all the ducks there too. I'm getting some layer mix. Costs like $15. Alright, so we're on the road and it's after 5, but the place dark and it's been raining all day, so I was actually supposed to go home and build a chicken coop, well, which is more like a temporary thing for them, but I cannot do that right now until tomorrow, so I'm gonna have to leave them in the box until tomorrow. You get me? But I'm excited. I'm happy to have some chickens, and yeah, man, so stay tuned for tomorrow. Let's go now. Alright, so now it's the next morning and the chickens are still in the box, so I haven't taken them out as yet, but I'm gonna be doing that. And I have a chicken mesh that I bought from yesterday, so I'm just gonna be creating something temporarily for the chickens until I actually create a coop for them. So with that being said, you can have 10 chickens, right? 10 hens, but you cannot have any roosters in residential area. If you're living on a farm, you can have roosters. I'm not sure if there's a limit on having if you are on a big farm, but I know that residential areas you're not allowed, so I cannot have any roosters because they create noise pollution. And yeah, so basically, you know, coming from where I come from, Jamaica, we'll hear roosters all the time. You know, once you're from the Caribbean, that's a thing. But I get, you know, I'm in a different country, different rules, everything is totally different here. And yeah, with that being said, the reason why I decided to also have these chickens is because it's literally been like a egg crisis in Australia. I don't know about anywhere else in the world, but I can tell you this. There's been a egg shortage for a while now. And also, if we're not short of eggs, they're very expensive. So I decided that, you know what, I'm going to get some chickens and it's going to be beneficial for my family as well. I'm actually going to get more. This is just a start. So I get 2 of them and they're actually layers. So those are gonna help with, you know, breakfast, mixed cakes, you name it. And also with the feces from the chickens, that will help for good compost from a garden as well. So it will be beneficial in so many different ways. So yeah, I think it's a great little investment here. And yeah, I did have chickens previously, but got rid of those, and yeah, so now back at it again. So it's almost the end of June. Today is actually the 29th, and the frost have just really started coming in. So you can see the pumpkin start to dry up, you know, which that means I'm gonna have to pick one pumpkin recently. So these, I don't think they have much longer to go. Yeah, not much more growth left in them. So, and I don't even think that pumpkin is ready as yet. And there's a few actually, but with the frost coming in now, I'm just gonna have to pick them and see what stages they're at. If they're ready to be eaten. There's one right there, another one right down there. There's a few more, you can see right there, pumpkin. There's more throughout, but the frost just sweeping in now, so I don't have much. There's nothing I can do about it really. And the gungo, they've been holding up, to be honest. The gungo peas, you can see they still have blossom. They haven't died, and we literally almost finished our first month of winter. And yeah, they survived so far, because this is a subtropical of Australia. So as I said, it doesn't go below like -1 or whatever. So it doesn't go to that freezing point where we have snow. Not in this region anyway. So, but yeah, I have my broccoli and cauliflower. They're coming up now, beautiful, as you can see. And I have like the Irish potato there, and a few pak chai looking good as well. Something was eating the leaf of that one, but you can see. And the soursop, surprisingly, it's been holding up as well. As you can see, some of the branches, leaves gone. That's because I've been using them for tea. I decided I wasn't gonna pick all of them, and yeah, it's been, as I said, almost a month now, and they're still holding up. So yeah, it's been good, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, man, I'm gonna see how everything works out, you know. And my strawberry just started blossoming as well, so I'll be looking forward to some strawberry. And for a while now, I haven't been buying thyme. My thyme, it's not much on it now, but I've been using a lot of thyme. So yeah, I've been putting things to use. Just take a look at the yam now. As the like literally the first week of the frost just came in, where it's really gotten extremely cold, and the yam start drying up now. Which throughout the leaves were green, now they're turning yellow and brown. You can see that those vines have dried up, and no need to worry, they're still alive in the ground. It's just the vines will all dry up, and spring they'll spring back. Yeah, man, but the leaves are very yellow. And we have all the key in here, tall now, very tall from growing up. Once I have a lot of cane. And the banana here, I have a ladder that I was trying to tie on the bags on. Yes, well, the day before yesterday. I only got one on that one because it's very short, but I need to put the bags on these bananas as well, the banana bags. This is the grains they give to the chickens. I can't identify everything in here. Maybe the only thing I can identify is the corn. There's some kind of seeds. I don't quite know what they are. But I mean, it should say it on the bag anyway. Everything that's inside. So this is my water jug that I cut. It just kind of parts everything wicked. So I created something temporarily for the chickens, and please don't laugh at me, alright? This is my creation. Alright, so let's take a look. So this is what it is. So this is Island old trampoline. And I just kind of sewed it up so that way the chickens won't fly out. And it's pretty intact same way. You know, so I make a hole at the top here, which I'm gonna put the chickens through and put the feed through. And yeah, they're gonna need some shade, but for now, this is what I'm working with. I can just throw a tarpaulin over it. And yeah, until I actually build something. So that is it, my people. Don't judge my creation. It's actually off the ground. It's pretty sealed off.
What is it?
This is it, my people. 2 chickens I bought. Babe haven't really seen them because I went to pick them up. Well, we're both in the car, but meaning that she didn't see when the lady was putting them in the box. So, come Island.
I'm scared.
You can't let them fly away.
Go on, Bubble. Go on, Island.
Bucky.
Close it. Oh, no.
Bucky. Bucky. Bucky.
Whoa, he's got... Yeah.
I think he wants to fly. Island, come.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Beautiful hens. Yeah. These are gonna be our layers. Get some eggs. Wanna touch? Bubba? Babe?
No,
Island?
I'm good.
Trust me. You trust me or not? Come.
Go, just trust Dad. Dad won't...
Come on, you used to love them when you were younger. You used to hug them. And even kiss them. You forgot?
You forgot, Bubble.
Come. Come. Trust me. Come on, man. Come. Come.
What?
What's gonna happen to you?
Oh, he's scared now because of the dog bite.
It's alright, see? You can come look at them every day and feed them.
This like this day when Grandma was coming to the zoo when he was feeding their kangaroos.
And this is their temporary cage, or coop. This is Island old trampoline. Just temporarily set up. And then big, look at this. You don't run away. And do
Is
not-
it female and male?
No, female.
Both of them?
Yeah. You're not allowed to have.
And I got a toy
Males.
for them. I got a toy for them.
What you call it? It's industrial
Oh.
or whatever you call it. Yeah. So.
I got a toy for
You
them.
all love it.
No.
Already caca.
Oh, yeah.
Ew. Yeah.
Yeah.
Going for a feed now.
Chicken jockey.
Beautiful. So now I have some water. Got another one of the containers, empty one. And look at this unruly woman inside here already stepping in the feed. Drinking their water now. I'm so excited, I'm not gonna lie. And she said they should be ready to lay any time now. So, which is good. But that means I also have to build their nests very soon as well. So everything have to come into place really fast for people. Yeah, man, so stick around for that. But for today, this is the video. And I want to thank you all for watching.
Are you sure you didn't drink wine?
No, babe, there's someone watching us.
Who?
Babe, I don't want to point. Look over there. in that car.
He wants to eat you.
Dog! This dog, yeah. This dog been looking at me the whole time.
He wants his Kit Kat. He wants